Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. As you know, Delhi has extreme climates and there is very much hot in here. So it's very difficult to take care of our plants like this condition. But snake plant is an ideal choice for beginner gardeners because it does not die. It's great in a container and grows well on the floor or on tabletop displays. But one problem is that snake plants thrive in warm weather and struggles in cold conditions. This plant is drought resistant but is susceptible to overwatering, which can lead to root rot. You can easily propagate your snake plant. It's best to propagate during the growing season in the spring or summer. Snake plants can be divided easily during repotting if the plant is at least 4 inches tall. Alternatively, new shoots might emerge from the soil and can be potted independently. You can also propagate snake plants via cuttings. Now I will tell some basic facts about snake plant. Snake plants prefer a loose, well-drained potting mix. And snake plants prefer indirect but steady light with some direct sun. Sometimes the tips burn due to underwatering. Now for fertilizer, you can use rice water or simply kitchen waste compost. Last but not the least is the watering. Let the soil dry between waterings. And if you live in a place with harsh climates, you can shower it as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.